and that
Yes, sir,
recording
no
to
problem.
start.
Uh,
Lokesh, are we on?
can
Can
I?
we go? Lokesh, are we on? Can we go? Can she go?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, yes, please start. Please continue.
Yeah. Good morning, Sampark. First of all, I would like to thank Sampark for giving me this Parichay slot. This is Mrunal Munje, and I work as a freelance content writer. Some of you might be aware about me and my work. Some of you might not be. So I hope this presentation and this Parichay helps you to understand me and my work a bit. Next slide, please, sir. So, about me. I am Mrunal Munje, born and brought up in Nagpur, a true Nagpurkar at heart. My hobbies, I would say, are reading and photography, and the topics of my interest are astronomy and psychology. Next slide. So, as for the professional part of my life, I have been working as a freelance content writer since last 2 years, and my services or my domains of interest include content writing, copywriting, proofreading, and editing. I have done my bachelor's in computer. So, can we go back? Yeah. So I have done my bachelor's in computer technology, like any other engineer. I was first pursuing my job, and then later on shifted to content writing. Currently, I'm pursuing my master's in English literature. Content writing has helped me develop a lot of skills. Being a freelancer, I've been able to manage time, communicate, and I try and I try to provide originality and research-based content to my clients. Next slide, please. As for social networks, I'm not a very social person, but in Nagpur, I am a member of Sampark and I work with Zero Gravity. It's an NGO in Nagpur by Srikant Jiskar Foundation. Next slide. My three best customers, I would say, anyone who is working in digital marketing, advertising and media, or any IT firms can benefit from me, and in turn, I can benefit from them. Accomplishments, I'm not someone who celebrates my accomplishments a lot, but I would say that in the last two years, I've been able to work with more than 45 clients across a lot of cities. Then my article, I would say press release was featured in Femina, which I wrote for Zero Gravity for one of their fundraisers. And yeah, so I hope my all the clients I have served till date are happy and content with my work. Next slide, please. So next slide. Lokesh sir. As for the referral,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yeah, Mrunal, you can continue.
Okay. As for the referral types, the kind of referrals you can the kind of people you can refer my work to are digital marketing agencies, owners and founders of digital marketing agencies, IT companies, business brands who are looking for their promotion or for their portfolio. In general, anyone who wants to promote their brand or business to their customers, you can refer them to me. Next slide, please. My six complementing business partners, I would say, are digital marketers. So next slide. Digital marketers, website developers, graphic designers, publishers, bloggers. In general, anyone who is trying to portray their brand image through content, through written format or social media platforms, you can refer them to me. So next slide. Customer types I would like to have are NGOs, individual clients, startups, manufacturing units, educational institutions, or service industries. Yeah. So next slide. My memory hook. So I would say my memory hook is get traffic-driven content to create customer engagement and enhance your brand presence. Next slide, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sampark, and thank you, Kailash sir, for giving me this opportunity. I hope I haven't bored anyone, and I think you might have enjoyed knowing about me. And I look forward to connecting with everyone. Thank you so much.
Yes, Vinalji, it